Hi. Luckily, I can talk really fast. I'm American, and I'm from New York. So hold on to your seats. I'm Millie Maier. I'm a content designer at Atlassian. I work on a product called Jira Service Desk. And so I write documentation and UI copy for people who help other people for a living. So it's sort of meta. But as I'd never worked in that particular type of product before, and I had to get used to a whole new industry and a whole new audience, and it was a job I wasn't super familiar with. But I soon found out that these service desk agents, like IT professionals who help you with your laptop, or who are answering customers' questions, things like that, have a really specific workflow, a workflow enabled by software like Jira Service Desk. And I just became, I don't know, really enthralled with how they were working, and I thought, wait a minute, am I a service? And so I took a look around. I was like, well, people keep coming to me all the time with random requests. I'm sure you all understand how that feels. And I said, I need to keep track of this work. So I thought, well, you know, at Atlassian, we like to dog food our products, and we're always using them internally. So I was like, well, I don't know if I need a Jira Service Desk. So I used another program that we have called Trello, but you can use something like Trello. There's Asana, there's a few others. It doesn't have to be Trello. And I just set myself up a big board. Every single one of the feature teams, the agile teams that I was working with, got a column. And then I had a column on the end that was just what I did every day. And it changed my life. Like, I'm 35, I don't know, I feel like I had a midlife crisis and I went to Trello. I don't know. It was amazing. Anyway, I'm just giving you a little tip. I found this workflow, and it fit super well for how I was managing my writing work, and I've since been like evangelizing it inside of Atlassian, and I think it might work for you. Just like make a little card, a little ticket, whatever it is, for all the little things that you're asked, because I think you'll be amazed by how many little things are not technically part of your job, or just things that should be tracked that are really helpful, and they just eat at your time. At the end of the day, you're like, where did everything go? Like, I swear I answered 15 different pull requests for error copy, but like, I don't even remember what they all were. You know, you get shoulder taps or pings on your chat, and you're like, what did I do? I track every single one of them, and I write them all down. They each get their own card, and it only takes a few seconds, and then at the end of the day, I can see every single thing that I did. So, you know, you might be more of a service than you think you are, and just have a think about that. All right, thank you.